So that was pretty cold last night. I got up at 6:45 and Daniel had already started a fire. It would have been that bad if all of our clothes would have been dry, but we put them in these compartments on the kayaks that we were told were waterproof, and they weren't. So it's about 9 o'clock and we decided to go ahead and head out. It's still a little cold, so we put on these coats. Camp is all broken down. Fire is out, covered with sand. Yeah, that's not warm. Whoa. Woo. Did in about 1 hour what it took us yesterday to do in like 3 or 4 hours. Let's get you back in the water, little buddy. We pulled those all the way up out of the water. It's a good thing Daniel noticed, otherwise we'd be swimming to get our kayaks. Tide is coming in. That should give us another 10 minutes. I think I sprayed sunscreen right into my eyes. This pelican fears absolutely nothing. Look at that. I could like touch him. So we were driving to Tampa and we saw that Siesta beach was on the way, and it's supposed to be one of the best beaches in the world. So we decided, what the heck, might as well stop, it's on the way. Apparently in Florida they use shells instead of mulch. This beach has like the perfect sand. It's awesome. It's so fine and soft. Like, and this could be the reason it's the best beach in the world. The sand is perfect. Oh, she went for 2 hula hoops. Dude, that dude is getting it. Look at him. Dang, he's good. Classic dilemma. Line for the girls' bathroom, no line for the guys' bathroom. It's a bummer we got here at like 5 o'clock, but I mean, you can play a little bit of volleyball, do a little slack lining, dance in the drum circle, drum in the drum circle, swim, lay on the beach, play with the beautiful sand. This beach is awesome. Onward to Tampa. These are our hotels, or our motel. Somebody's smoking weed. Is that the only light? Oops. There we go. There we go. Nothing fancy at all. They're actually still sheetrocking the ceiling. You get what you pay for, and we're cheap, so. Dude, I haven't seen a TV like that. No. Things not to touch in a motel room. The remote control. Our bathroom door doesn't close. Oh, okay. If you really wedge it. Problem is, that gap right there is where the hinge is supposed to go. It's above it. Same with this one. It's supposed to go right in that gap. It's right there. And same with that one. And that's why the door doesn't close all the way. So that's all taped together, which that's not a big deal, whatever. But they didn't clean the toilet, at all. And that rag there was hanging right there. And I didn't use it. It wasn't me. I wore flip-flops in the shower today. That's what we get for picking the cheapest place we could find. I went to go get ice for drinks, and both of the ice machines are out of ice. This motel is awesome. Laid out my sleeping bag to sleep in, and it's time for bed. Alright, peace out. Catch you guys tomorrow.